Hello guys, and welcome to this video tutorial guide session. So in this video tutorial guide, I will be showing you how you can create this amazing and sweet simple birthday flyer design that I created a while ago. So we'll be creating this video in this video tutorial guide, and if you can see this video, you have been privileged to watch this video. I created this video specifically for my students in the beginner's guide to graphic design, so which I tagged BGGD. So if you can see this video, if you're a student of BGGD, you can kindly let me know in the comment section. And if you want to be part of this edition of beginner's guide to graphic design, you can also signify in the comment section. So in this video tutorial guide, this is what we'll be creating using PixelLab. As you can see, this is my PixelLab, so don't be surprised. Let me just show you. Don't be surprised, it's also PixelLab, but just another version of PixelLab, but you can use any PixelLab to achieve. So this is PixelLab right over here now. So we'll be using PixelLab to create this simple birthday flyer. So for you to get this video, make sure you follow every step I'll be showing you in this video tutorial guide. Make sure you follow this tab on my screen. This tab on my screen will help you navigate through on everything I'll be doing in this video tutorial guide. Don't worry, I'll make it well explanatory for you to get whatever I want to show you. So just follow through and you will get this video now. So now let's begin our video tutorial guide session. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and make sure you comment something in the comment section for me to know that you are really following this video. So let me take this particular design to this angle of this file of this place right over here now. So you can use any color, but make sure you just follow through the process of everything I'll be doing. Make sure you follow through process of everything I'll be doing. So first of all, I'm sure you have watched the beginners guide. You have watched how to use PixelLab, so I'll just be showing you simple things that you need to know. So the first thing you need to know about PixelLab, that if you want to deal with background, you have to go to this square, this two square right over here. So if you want to deal with background, so we'll be starting from background. I want to give it a white color background, so I'll go over here, pick this color right over here now. So there are two stuff over here, so I'll go for this color because I'm using only one color. If you want to use two color or more, you go for this gradient. So I'll go for this one, and this is the white color over here now. So we've obtained our background. So the next thing now that I want to show you now is so how to put this this down shape, this color stuff at this place right here. So how to put it at this down, that's what I want to show you next. So go over to this plus button icon. You can also use this place. So there are two ways you can do it. You can use this place or this place. So let me just use this plus. Go over to shapes right over here now. So try to create the shape like this now. Just to create the shape, make sure it covers every angle, cover the whole canvas of this PixelLab. So now you get to select the color you want to use. So I won't be using the exact color in this picture. I won't be using the exact color in this design, just for me to show you that you can use your color, your own color, but make sure it follows the principles I'll be showing you now. So for this one, I'll use a different color. So let me pick this plus button icon, and let me select a color from this place. So let me just use this one color. So initially I used two color. It was a gradient I used for this shape, but I'll just use one color for the sake of this video tutorial guide, and I'll put it right over here now. So when I have that over here now, the next thing I want to bring in for this picture design is how you can bring in this picture. So I'll show you the trick I use to give this picture a stroke and even give it this background color now. So let me use one of my pictures. So, and also I'll be leaving some of the resources I'll be using in this video, so just check this description of this video. You have access to the resources that I'll be using even in this feature of this video. So just get to the description and you'll find the resources over here now. So the next thing is this picture. So let me go over here now. To bring in a picture in PixelLab, you can also use this plus button icon or use this button. Okay, you can use this guy. Okay, you can use this guy also. So let me use this plus button icon. I love that part also. So you go over to from gallery, and you will go and you select the particular picture you want to use. So just know how to navigate this. So I'll go over to my browse here, and let me select one of my picture. I won't be using this picture for this design, so let me select one of my picture also. I think I should have it right here now. Let me just select one picture that you can just that I can use. Let me say, I don't think I have any. I should have one of my pictures yeah, right here. So let me use this particular picture of my picture, this right over here. So when you get to this stage, don't click on this plus button icon. Yes, make sure you click on this circle right here. It's going to, like, crop it into a circle, the picture into a circular stuff, just like this. So when you click on this circle, make sure it's on this 1:1 ratio, this square now. Then go come here and click on this circle right over here. So when you have this, click on this plus icon, and you should have something like this. So you should have something like this. So now, okay, so here now I will need to change the color of this thing so it can match with this particular picture. You remember, this picture is a yellow stuff. So I'll go over here now, reselect the color on this, and I'll click on this color picker. So take note of this. If you want to pick color from your pictures, from your design, please use this plus button icon right over here now. Use this picker right on top here now and click on this picture, so you get to select any color from maybe your pictures or anything element in your PixelLab. So let me just use this yellow color. Let me use this yellow color right here. So let me try to just increase, let me leave it like this. Okay, so I think it's going like this, so let me leave it like this now. So since I have my picture right here now, so the next thing you need to do is to give this picture a stroke. It's called a stroke. So you can, when you want to work with pictures, remember you have to be on this part of this thing. So go over to your stroke here, enable it. When you enable it, it's going to bring out another color that will round the distance. So you can't see because it's bringing out white, but let me change the color. Can you see this is the black color that is bringing out? So let's use, let's see with this black color. Okay, let's leave it at this white, at this black, but I'm not sure, the color is not really going. So let's use this yellow color also, and let's leave it like this now. So let me increase the stroke strength. So let's leave it at 3 like this now. So you put it right over here now. So centralize using this relative position, centralize. So the reason why I'm slow in this video is for you to get this video, particularly if you're a student of my beginner's guide to graphic design, so you can get it. That's why I'm being slow in this video. If it's a normal tutorial video, I won't be slow just like this, but I just want you guys to get it. That's why I'm explaining every part of this video. So appreciate this video by liking this video now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and comment in the comment section if you are liking or you are loving this video. So let me bring this to this front. So the next thing I want to do now is to write this happy birthday and the name of this particular thing. So to write happy birthday, you go over to your plus button icon. I love using this plus button icon, but you can also get it at this A, so you can use this text. So you go over to edit here now. So I first wrote happy. Okay, I wrote happy. So okay, happy like this now, happy like this. Click on OK, and okay, this okay at this top now. So when you have this up now, so the next thing is I went to select another font, and the font I use, if I can remember, it was Metropolis. So this is it over here now. So I use this right over here now. So you will increase the size, so you can bring it here now. So just leave this here, just leave this happy over here. So let me try to increase the size of this picture. So okay, so let's leave this now. So now this happy, let's use the color we used for the shapes. So this is happy right over here now. So this color is not really going, but let me just let me select a color that will work. So let me give it a stroke. So remember I said you can use any color, but make sure the color you are using is following, like it's going through every pattern I'm also using in this video. So this is it over here. So let me just leave this happy like this. Let me leave this happy like this, but not really what I use. So centralize also. So when you have this happy now, the next thing is to write this birthday. So bring in another text like this. So go over to text, edit the text, and just write birthday. So I use a script font, so you can find any script font in your PixelLab. And also I will leave a link in the description of this video also to access a video where you can access all of my fonts. All these fonts you can see on PixelLab right here, you can access it also. So I'll leave a link in the description also. Is a video that will show you the password now. So go, let me select one of script fonts for the birthday right here now. So okay, I think the font I used, I can't really remember the font I used, but we just find something similar and we use it for this video. Let me just go with this guy over here now. So I can't really remember, I think it was this one too. Okay, let me just increase the size of that birthday, So just increase it like this now. So and you have something like this, so you can just centralize. Make sure you give it a black color. The color here is not really black, so this is it over here. Centralize this also. So let me try to reduce the size. So okay, now so this is everything now. So this is better now, and the next thing I want to write the name. So I just copy this happy text and just write, if I want to write my name, so I just say, let me say Unique Studios or Charlie. Let me just write Unique Studios. So you can write your name, use your picture. So to change the color to black, and I will reduce the size. I'll reduce the size to something that will not clash with the old design. So I think let's leave the text at 20. Let's leave the text at 20. Okay, let's try to increase it. So okay, and for the front also it was Metropolis, but it was the italic Metropolis. So this is Metropolis right over here now. So I use the italic, I think black italic also. So let's leave it at this. Okay, let's leave it at this now. Let's leave it at this. So you can use a similar font also. You can use a similar font also for your own. So let's size. Remember, we are just working through this now, so let's leave it at this now. So this is it over here. So the next thing now is so how to create this shape that I used to write creative director please engineer.com. So I'll show you how to do this, and I'll go over to your shape now. Go over to shape, give the shape, make sure you just bring it down like this. Bring the shape like this over here, put it somewhere like this, and select a color. So select the color that I use. So I'll use this yellow color also now. So after you select the shape, the next thing you need to do now is to go over to this shape also. But you give this shape another different color, so that is different. So I'll prefer you select something that is not in the design. So for me, I'll be using this red. Okay, let me just use this black. Okay, so you have to make it tiny like this. So when you make it tiny like this, I'll show you the trick on how you can create this slanted shape. So when you have this over here now, okay now, so go over to this or rotate, go over to this rotate in this shape. Try to rotate it a little bit like this, and you will place it we place it strategically on that shape. So when we have this right over here, copy that black one, copy this black one like this, and take it down also. So just try to move it to the second edge of this yellow shape we created earlier. So okay now, so when you have something like this now, the next thing now, we match these three shapes together. So to match it, go over here now. So go over to this layer that will show the layer. Go over here now, click on the three shapes, match them together like this. So match them together like this, and you should have something like so. When you match them together, they are now one. So go over to erase color, and select the black color, select the black color or the color that is on the edges of that shape. So you should have something like this. So try to increase the tolerance a little bit, and we should have something like this. So this is how I created this slanted shape below the name. So just try to give it like this. So now you can write whatever you want. So let me see what I can use. Let me just use coach of Unique Studios, coach Unique Studios. Let me write BGGD Beginner's Guide to Graphic Design. So let me just leave it like that. So now let me reselect the font. It was also Metropolis, but with lesser weight, Metropolis also. So I think I used this guy over here. So let's just go with this now. So I'm not really deep. Okay, so let me introduce the share text. Let me don't put it on opaque color. So let me just coach unique. Okay, so you can remember, just write your name, do your thing, but follow the principles of everything I'll be showing you. You can do your thing, use your name, use your text, but follow the principles of everything I showed you, how I'm showing you in this video currently. So for you to be greater. So this is how you get better with graphic designs. Follow those who know. Let me just use that slang. Follow those who know. Follow those who know what they are doing, and you also be good with whatever you are doing. So just like you are watching this video, you are getting better in your craft as a graphic designer, whether as a smartphone or any kind of designer. So this is it over here now. So I think these are the major parts of this video. So the next thing I want to show you now is how we can give it. Let me bring it to the front. The next thing now is how we can give this, this ribbons and this top of this ribbons. So let me is a picture. So I'll bring it now. So go over to your from gallery, go over to your gallery, and I will go select where that stuff is on my own mobile phone here. So I have it at ribbons and lights. So let me just look for it. Okay, this is it over here now. So this is it over here. I selected it, and you will have it just like this. You have it just like this. So just increase the size, place it at the top of your screen. Remember, I said I will leave a link in the description on how you can access these parts, all these elements I'm using. So this is it over here now. This is how I got this ribbon just like this right here now. So this is how I got it. So let me undo this. Okay, so this is it over here, just like you can see on this one. That was what I used. So I'll lock it so I will not tamper with it. Lock that ribbon. And the nice thing also in this video, so if I want to write your text just like this, so just write the text, write wishing you all the stuff. And to create that line, this stroke line, go over to shapes. Also go over to shapes and just do it like this. Make sure you keep take it to that, give it a black color, and you have a line like this. So this is how you make a line in PixelLab. So this is it over here also. So after that, so if you want to get, you can usually write your text and put it at the down part of the design. So okay, after that, what else do we need to put in this? What else? Okay, the next thing now is to just write this date of birthday, May 15. So let me just copy this text. So today is I'm creating this video today, which is June, I think June 4 or something. So leave it at June, just put it here, reduce the size. That's the just put it June here now. And for the date, June 15. What is today's date? I think today is June 5th. So just put it like this, June 5th. And so that was how everything was created. So put it here, just put it beside that stuff, right? So we use a different color. So this is okay, let me go back to that black color. So this is everything basically on how I was able to create this particular design. And for this logo, you can just find something to put at the top for the logo. So this is how I was able to just create this flyer from A to Z. So remember, your own may not be fast as this, but follow through every process, replicate whatever I'll be showing you, and I'll make sure I drop this particular design in our group and on WhatsApp, so you can access everything. So this is how this design was created from A to Z. So thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you comment something down in the comment section for me to know that you are really getting it. Thank you for watching, and see you at the next video tutorial guide.